Okay, we just did the glacier lake. It was a little detour. Now we continue on our hike. The sun is out a little bit over there. Pretty. Oh yeah, I feel much better now. It's, I don't know, the first 200-300 meters going uphill is the hardest in the morning. But then, after you see that glacial lake, you have so much energy. Coming up again, it was so easy. That's one of those magical things. Fill up your energy. You have power to go on. Look at this trail. Such a nice view. It's our first time coming up here. That glacier was just magnificent. It looked like we were in Alaska. Another 2 kilometers to the next viewpoint. Okay. Go. It's a very nice rocky trail. Ooh, watch out! Thank God it stopped raining. Okay, just careful when walking on rocky trails. Filming and walking is dangerous. I have to pay extra attention on that. Okay, down there is our parking lot. I hope it stops. The rain stops. Because if it starts raining heavy, I have to stop recording. My camera is not waterproof. Yeah, over there was another glacier. It looks like it's all melted. It's a little bit slippery right now because of the rain. So a good hiking shoe is a must. Okay, another viewpoint. So we are here. A couple hundred meters to our first viewpoint and 0.8 kilometers to the second viewpoint. Alright, let's go. So we reached the loop and we're going to our first viewpoint. Lots of wildflower up here and mosquitoes. One of the viewpoints here. You're looking at the glacier. We are almost 1800 meters up right now. That was a hard hike up here. But we're at the top almost. Weather doesn't look good. I think we're going to turn around from here. We're not going to make the rest of the hike. The weather is coming in and we don't want to get rained in here. It's starting to rain right now. Don't know how long this glacier will be there. Maybe in 20 years it's not there anymore. So if you come here, do the first part of the trail. This is the most scenic one. We went all the way up to the top. Okay, the view here is way better. Way better. Okay, this was one of the most amazing hikes we did so far. A little bit tough at the end. The first part is easy and gives you the best photo op. So if you come here, do the first part and you can skip the second one. It was way harder than the Agnes Tea House in Lake Louise. And this is Canada. And lots of places to go and see. And due to the fact that we have to stay in our own country, I actually explore it. It's just breathtaking. It's cold. Okay. Go over this little stream. Just have to watch out because it might be slippery, but with our shoes, no problem at all. Walking back is so way easier. You really have to watch your step. Almost going down is easy for your cardio, but it's hard on your knee. So the point up there, when we turned around, if we kept continuing going, people were saying there was a bear on the trail. So we didn't see it, we turned around. And we're almost back. Down there is the parking lot. I love this hike. It gives you the best view of the glacier. Yeah, this is one of the bucket list. Put it on your bucket list. Come here. When you come here, give yourself at least 3 to 4 hours time. There's so many spots you want to stop and take pictures. And down there I can see the Cavell Lake. Maybe we stop by there. We arrived here at 10:30, I believe, and now is, let me see, it's 1:24, and we have 10,693 steps. We didn't do the full loop, so how much is that in kilometer? Let me see. 6.79 kilometer we walked today. That's not much. Yeah, we didn't do the loop, so that's 4 kilometers off the hike today. Once you're up there, you don't know how the weather is. If it's a nice weather, we would have finished it, but with this uncertainty of cloud and rain, we just said no, just turn back. We don't want to get into a storm. Wearing a mask hiking is not easy, but we did it. So back to our car. That was one of the best hikes in my life. You feel like you are in Alaska at the glacier. So if you ever have a chance,
if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment down below, and hit the like button. See you next time!